Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Kia Sorento door handle. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the exact replacement handle for your Sorento model. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before beginning any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts or power surges during the process. Next, we'll tackle the interior door panel. Begin by carefully prying up the window switch panel with your trim removal tool. Disconnect the electrical connectors underneath. Look for and remove any screws, typically one or two, that secure the door panel. These are often hidden under small plastic covers. Once all screws are out, gently pull the door panel away from the door frame, releasing the clips around the perimeter. With the door panel off, you can now access the handle mechanism. Carefully detach the two cables connected to the handle, one for the latch and one for the lock. Also, disconnect any electrical connectors if your handle has them. Remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts or screws that hold the handle assembly to the door frame. Once these are out, the old handle can be removed and the new one installed, reversing the steps. Finally, reassemble your door. Reconnect any electrical components and reattach the door panel, making sure all clips snap into place and all screws are tightened. Before fully closing everything, test the new door handle's operation to ensure it opens and closes smoothly. Double-check that the window switch and other functions work correctly. For other great deals and to find the link for those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.